South China Sea, the Theodore Roosevelt Carrier Strike Group, TRCSG, conducted a bilateral exercise with the Royal Malaysian Air Force, RMAF, in the South China Sea April 6–7, 2021. This exercise was the first bilateral exercise between the US and Malaysia in 2021. We are thankful for the opportunity to train alongside the Royal Malaysian Air Force, said Rear Admiral Doug Verissimo, Commander, Carrier Strike Group 9. While we would have loved to meet face-to-face, I am excited that we can meet in the air to help deepen security cooperation between our two nations. Our continued pursuit of interoperability is essential to maintaining peace and security in the Indo-Pacific. USS Theodore Roosevelt, CVN-71, and Carrier Air Wing, CVW-11 engaged in dissimilar air combat training, DACT, with the RMAF. Both countries had the opportunity to hone their tactics and enhance their ability to work side by side. Much like iron sharpens iron, these high-end exercises with the Royal Malaysian Air Force enable us to learn from each other and provide realistic training in the air, said Captain Michael Langbin, Commander, Carrier Air Wing 11. The Air Wing appreciates the chance to fly alongside our partners as we work to increase our ability to operate together. The exercise focused on joint air operations and unit integration. It demonstrated the strength of the relationship between the two nations as well as the proficiency of their forces. The TRCSG is on a scheduled deployment to the U.S. 7th Fleet to help ensure freedom of the seas, build partnerships that foster maritime security, and to conduct a wide range of operations that support humanitarian efforts and act as deterrents to potential malign actions. The TRCSG consists of USS Theodore Roosevelt, CVN-71, Carrier Air Wing, CVW-11, the Ticonderoga-class guided missile cruiser USS Bunker Hill, CG-52, Destroyer Squadron 23, and the Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyers USS Russell, DDG-59, and USS John Finn, DDG-113. Theodore Roosevelt's embarked air wing consists of the Tomcatters of Strike Fighter Squadrons VFA-31, Golden Warriors of VFA-87, Blue Diamonds of VFA-146, Black Knights of VFA-154, Liberty Bells of Airborne Command and Control Squadron VAW-115, Grey Wolves of Electronic Attack Squadron VAQ-142, Wolfpack of Helicopter Maritime Strike Squadron HSM-75, Eightballers of Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron HSC-8 and Providers of Fleet Logistics Support Squadron VRC-30 Detachment 3. TRCSG's operability in the region directly supports the Chief of Naval Operations Navigation Plan to master all domain fleet operations and exercise with like-minded navies to enhance our collective strength. U.S. 7th Fleet conducts forward-deployed naval operations in support of U.S. national interests in the Indo-Pacific area of operations. As the U.S. Navy's largest numbered fleet, 7th Fleet interacts with 35 other maritime nations to build partnerships that foster maritime security, promote stability, and prevent conflict. Theodore Roosevelt departed San Diego for a scheduled deployment to the Indo-Pacific on December 23.